Hello, my name is Dustin Anderson, and I'm a student at A.T. Still University in the Masters of Kinesiology program. And today, I'm going to be going over the fundamental rolling patterns. The first is going to be right upper body flexion. The next will be right upper body extension. The next one will be right lower body flexion. The next will be right lower body extension. The next will be left upper body flexion. Next will be left upper body extension. Next will be left lower body flexion. Next will be left lower body extension.